When your long document has formatted headings, adding a table of contents makes it much easier to navigate. Feel free to leave a like if this tutorial helps you out. First, create an empty line above your first chapter heading. Click into that empty space to place your text cursor at the top of the page. Open the Insert menu in the top toolbar. Hover over Page Elements to reveal the submenu options. Select Table of Contents to insert it at your cursor location. The document automatically generates links for all your heading titles. Click inside the Inserted Table block to view the floating action bar. Open the three-dot menu for more configuration options. Click Table of Contents Options to open the sidebar panel. You can customize heading levels and indentation settings here. Open the Indent drop-down menu for your heading style. Choose an indent measurement to adjust how your entries align. The document updates your table formatting instantly. You now know how to quickly add and customize a table of contents in your Google Docs project. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.